Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital banking, specifically the Neon Bank card. Neon Bank has become a popular choice for many, offering a convenient and mobile-first banking experience. But with all this digital freedom, one question remains: how much can you actually spend with your Neon Bank card? Fear not, financially curious friends. We're here to break down the different limits you might encounter with your Neon Bank card. 1. Daily spending limits. Imagine you're on a shopping spree, swiping that Neon card left and right. Well, there's a limit to that virtual shopping spree. Neon Bank has a daily spending cap to ensure responsible financial management. The exact daily spending limit can vary depending on your account type and Neon's assessment of your financial profile. However, you can generally expect a limit in the range of a few thousand reais. Don't worry, you can easily find your specific daily limit within the Neon app. 2. Weekly withdrawal limits. Maybe you prefer the feel of cold, hard cash. No problem. You can use your Neon card to withdraw money from ATMs. However, just like spending, there's a limit on how much you can withdraw in a week. Again, the exact limit depends on your account type, but it typically falls within a few thousand reais per week. 3. Transfer limits. Need to send some money to a friend or family member? Neon allows you to transfer funds using your card. But just like spending and withdrawing, there are limitations. The transfer limit can vary depending on whether you're sending to another Neon account or an external bank. It's always best to check the app for the specific limits applicable to your situation. Important note: these limits are subject to change, so it's crucial to stay updated. The best way to do that? Check the Neon Bank app or their official website. They'll have the most recent information readily available. Bonus tip: if you ever find yourself close to a limit and need a little more wiggle room, you can often contact Neon Bank's customer support to request a temporary increase. Just be prepared to explain your situation and demonstrate responsible financial behavior. Remember, limits are there to protect you and encourage responsible spending. By understanding your Neon Bank card limits, you can avoid any unexpected hiccups and manage your finances effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crushing those financial goals.